In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Forms with Google Calendar. Whether you're collecting event registrations, scheduling appointments, or you simply want your form responses to automatically create calendar events, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Forms in your browser and create your form just like you normally would. You can add questions, adjust settings, and customize the form however you like. Once you're ready, look toward the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu, select Get Add-ons. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, a window will appear showing different add-ons you can install. In the search bar, type Form to Calendar or for Calendar. You'll see an add-on designed specifically for connecting your form to Google Calendar. Click on it, then press Install and sign in to your Google account if it asks for permission. These steps allow the add-on to create events for you, nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Double-check that your form includes fields like event name and date, and be sure your calendar has enough space for new events. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once the add-on is installed, return to your Google form and click on the puzzle piece icon at the top. You'll see your new add-on listed there. Click Form to Calendar and choose Create Event or Open Settings, depending on what appears. A panel will open where you can adjust details like which question should be used as the event title, which one contains the date, and how you want the event to appear on your calendar. When everything looks right, click Connect and then Publish. Now, when someone fills out your form, you can enter an event name and date, and Google Calendar will automatically add it for you. It's a great way to stay organized and make scheduling effortless. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link Google Forms with Google Calendar easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?